How much does a site reliability engineer actually make in 2026? Well, that depends on who you ask. ZipRecruiter says about $133,000. Glassdoor says about $172,000. And Levels.fyi puts reported total compensation above $200,000. Same job title, a gap of roughly $70,000. And here's the thing, none of them are simply wrong. They're measuring different kinds of pay from different slices of the market. Know which number you're looking at, or you walk into a negotiation with the wrong anchor. And that mistake costs real money. Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Christoph. I changed careers into IT back in 1998 and worked my way from help desk to vice president and head of IT over 27 years. Today, I'm going to show you what site reliability engineers really earn in 2026 and how to read these numbers so you never sell yourself short. First, a quick translation because site reliability engineer might be the worst explained six-figure title in tech. The role was invented at Google, and in one sentence, SREs are software engineers hired to keep systems up and running, mostly by automating the operations work rather than fighting fires by hand. When your banking app loads, when a website survives Black Friday, somewhere an SRE is making sure it stays that way. And I'll be real with you, this is almost never a first tech job. People typically arrive here from sysadmin, cloud, or DevOps work because the role assumes you've run production systems before. But that's exactly why it pays the way it does. Now, about that $70,000 gap, here's the key. These sites measure different things. Posting-based sites like ZipRecruiter and Indeed mostly estimate pay from job listings. Levels.fyi collects employee-reported packages and breaks them into base, bonus, and stock, which is why it runs higher. It captures big tech's total compensation, and Glassdoor's headline number can blend base pay with additional pay. So always check the label on the number before you compare. Once you understand that, every salary conversation for the rest of your career gets easier. Quick note before the numbers. Getting paid what you're worth and knowing how to get there is a huge part of what I focus on inside my community, the IT Career Guide Inner Circle. That's where I've put complete career courses including Master the IT Interview and Job Offer Negotiations, both built on my modular method, and I add new ones regularly. It's a real community of IT professionals leveling up together, and I'm in there personally answering questions. The link is in the description if you want to take a look. Alright, let's get into the national picture. So what's a realistic national number for 2026? Line up the major sources and you get a ladder. ZipRecruiter sits at about $133,000, with most salaries landing between $114,000 and about $151,000. Indeed shows about $159,000. Glassdoor's headline figure is roughly $172,000. And Levels.fyi, tracking employee-reported total compensation at companies that grant stock, shows a median just over $203,000. At Google itself, the company that invented this role, reported median total compensation for an SRE is around $325,000. So when someone asks what an SRE makes, here's the honest answer. Across the big salary sites, headline estimates run from roughly $133,000 to $172,000, and reported total compensation at stock-heavy companies clears $200,000. Those numbers aren't interchangeable, they're different measurements. But published ranges for established SREs sit comfortably above six figures, though an individual offer can land lower or higher depending on company, level, and the scope behind the title. Now here's where it gets interesting. Experience moves these numbers a lot. Entry into the role, and remember, entry here usually means you already have a few years of IT behind you, starts around $106,000 to $120,000 depending on the source. One recruiting firm's 2026 SRE salary guide puts mid-level base pay at roughly $130,000 to $175,000 and senior base at $160,000 to $210,000. And staff and principal SREs, the deep technical experts, run from $235,000 up past $350,000. And to be clear, at that level we're talking total compensation, base plus bonus plus stock. Read that again. You can stay completely hands-on technical, never manage a single person, and out-earn many directors. Now that depends on the company actually having a staff and principal ladder, so verify that before you join. But at companies that do, it's one of the strongest arguments for this career path. By the way, if you liked this video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, as it will help me with the rankings in YouTube. Thank you. Location still matters, but city averages move fast and some are built on small samples, so treat them as market clues, not your personal price tag. In Indeed's current data, the San Francisco Bay Area leads at around $184,000, with Seattle, Boston, and New York close behind in the 170,000s and Austin closer to 148,000. But here's the number that surprised me. ZipRecruiter currently shows remote SRE listings averaging about the same as its national figure, roughly $133,000. That's one data set, not a guarantee, and many companies still pay in geographic bands, but remote alone clearly doesn't disqualify you from these numbers. So if you live in a lower cost of living area, a remote SRE salary can go a very long way. So what actually moves you up inside these ranges? 4 things. First, production ownership. On the same job site measured the same way, Indeed's average for SREs is about $159,000 versus about $133,000 for DevOps engineers. Those titles overlap a lot, and your actual scope matters more than the word on your badge. But companies do pay a premium for the person who owns uptime and carries the pager. Second, on-call treatment. This varies widely. Some companies fold it into your salary, others pay a separate stipend, often a few $100s a week when they do, and financial firms tend to sit at the top of that range with incident bonuses. Either way, it belongs on your interview checklist because it's often missing from the headline number. Third, skills with a catch. Kubernetes infrastructure as code like Terraform, observability, and solid Python or Go show up in almost every SRE posting. But the salary lever isn't the tool list. It's proof you use those tools to cut toil, speed up recovery, or prevent repeat incidents. And fourth, your level and your track. And this is something I saw firsthand. I spent 15 years as an individual contributor before I made my first move into leadership, from senior systems engineer to lead system administrator back in 2013. In those days, in most companies, management was the only way up the pay smooth scale. SRE is one of the roles that changed that math. The staff and principal track means deep technical work keeps paying. One honest caveat before you chase these numbers: this money has a tax. In Catchpoint's annual SRE report, nearly 70% of SREs say on-call stress has driven burnout and attrition on their teams. The pager is a big part of why the comp is this high. Go in with your eyes open. So if you're going to carry that pager, make sure you're paid every dollar it's worth. That's exactly why one of the courses inside the Inner Circle is job offer negotiations, built on the same modular method, walking through the scripts and the strategy step by step, so you're not improvising when $20,000 or $30,000 is sitting on the table. If you've got an offer coming or a review on the horizon, the link is in the description. Because here's how you actually use everything I just showed you. 1. Never negotiate base salary alone. Look at every component: base, target bonus, annualized stock, and how on-call is treated. 2. Compare like with like, base to base, bonus to bonus, stock to stock, at the same level and location. Mix a posting-based base figure with somebody's total comp package and you're off by tens of thousands of dollars. Quick example. Offer A, $170,000 base, nothing else, on-call 1 week in 4. Offer B, $155,000 base, a 10% bonus, and $40,000 a year invested stock, on call 1 week in 8. Offer B is worth roughly $210,000 at target with half the pager load, as long as the stock is public and the vesting schedule checks out. That is how you compare offers, not headline to headline. 3. Bring ranges from multiple sources and name your city or your remote status, because you now know how much those change the picture. And 4. Ask about the rotation directly. How many people share it, how many pages in a typical week, and whether on-call is included in salary or compensated separately. Worst case, you learn whether that company treats on-call as a designed responsibility or an unlimited expectation. Best case, you just improve the offer. And look, salary tells you what the market might pay. It doesn't tell you whether you'd actually enjoy this work. I just published a full day in the life of a site reliability engineer. The pages, the automation work, the post-mortems behind these numbers, so check that one out next. All right, let's recap. The national picture, headline estimates run roughly $133,000 to $172,000 depending on the source and what it measures, and reported total compensation at stock-heavy companies clears $200,000. Experience, from about $106,000 at entry to $235,000 and beyond at the staff and principal level. Location, the coasts lead, but remote listings hold their own in the data, so remote alone doesn't rule these numbers out. Multipliers, production ownership, on-call treatment, and prove your skills reduced real incidents, and negotiation. Compare complete offers, component by component, never headline to headline. Big picture, SRE is one of the few paths in IT where you can stay deeply technical and still earn near the very top of the field, as long as you go in understanding both the money and the pager that comes with it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!